During summer at airports like Dubai, temperatures inside a parked aircraft can exceed 50 degrees Celsius. A portable air conditioning unit, or ACU, deployed to circulate cool, conditioned air through the cabin, preventing equipment damage and ensuring a comfortable boarding experience. HVAC ground support equipment is a critical component in aviation ground operations. Its primary role is to maintain optimal temperature and air quality inside aircraft during ground time. When aircraft parked at the gate or undergoing maintenance, their onboard environmental control systems are usually powered down. HVAC GSE steps in to provide heating, cooling, and ventilation, ensuring that the cabin remains comfortable for passengers and safe for sensitive electronics. Modern HVAC GSE is designed to be energy efficient and highly reliable, capable of sustaining temperature control even under harsh weather conditions. This not only improves passenger comfort, but also protects avionics, electrical systems, and cabin interiors from extreme temperatures. Effective HVAC solutions are essential for aircraft readiness, minimizing delays and ensuring smooth ground handling operations. There are several types of HVAC ground support equipment specifically designed to handle the environmental needs of aircraft during ground operations. 1. Air conditioning units, ACUs. ACUs are essential for cooling aircraft when they are grounded. These powerful units deliver conditioned air directly into the cabin and avionics compartments, maintaining comfortable temperatures and preventing overheating of sensitive equipment. Portable ACUs are often used for regional jets like the Embraer 175, while larger stationary units are deployed for wide-body aircraft during extended maintenance. Second Ground Air Start Units, ASUs. ASUs are primarily designed for engine startup, but many models also include climate control capabilities. For instance, during pre-flight preparations of the Boeing 737 or Airbus A320, ASUs can maintain internal cabin temperatures to avoid excess humidity buildup. This is particularly useful in tropical regions where high humidity can damage avionics and cabin electronics. Third, heating units. Heating units are critical during winter operations at airports like London Heathrow or Chicago O'Hare, where temperatures can drop well below freezing. These systems provide warm, dry air to the cabin and cargo areas, preventing frost, keeping hydraulics fluid, and ensuring that seats, lavatories, and emergency equipment are functional and ready for use. Fourth, ventilation systems. Ventilation systems are designed to circulate fresh air through aircraft cabins and cargo holds. This is especially important during maintenance checks, where access panels are opened, exposing sensitive avionics. Proper ventilation prevents moisture buildup, corrosion, and mold growth, extending the life of critical components. 5. Portable versus stationary units. The choice between portable and stationary HVAC GSE depends largely on airport infrastructure and aircraft type. Portable units offer flexibility and are ideal for smaller airports or isolated parking areas. They are commonly used with regional jets and private aircraft. In contrast, stationary units are permanently installed at major hubs like LAX or Frankfurt Airport, providing reliable, high-capacity climate control for long-haul aircraft during extended ground time. Understanding the different types of HVAC GSE allows for better operation